Hi, my name is Alanzia Causey, and I will be talking about the advancements of HIV treatments. The thought of having a disease that is incurable is quite overwhelming for people around the world, but it is reality for some. I have done research and gained information on HIV treatments, medications, and other ways that scientists are trying to cure HIV or fight the virus. Today I will share with you the advancements in HIV. I will discuss what HIV is, how researchers have developed new classes of HIV treatments, and how they have simplified ways to do combination therapy. The Mayo Clinic describes HIV as a sexually transmitted virus that affects the immune system. HIV is also described as a life-threatening condition caused by a human immunodeficiency virus. It can be spread through sex. It can be spread through the contraction of the infected blood, and it can also lead to AIDS. And on avert.com, it states that AIDS is when a person's immune system can no longer fight infections. And this is the last stage of HIV. So if you don't catch it head on, you're not going to be able to beat the virus. It usually leads in death. This infection has been and continues to be incurable. There are medications that can slow down the progress, but if taken correctly, the medication can lengthen the lives of HIV positive people. There are over 25 types of medications that treat HIV, and there are 6 classes of medication that treat HIV as well. On CNN.com, it states that there are initially 4 classes of medication that treat HIV, but scientists have recently added 2 more. They are grouped in classes depending on the jobs that they need to do and how they fight against the virus. The first new class is called entry inhibitors, and the second one is integrase inhibitors. On PAS.com, it states that entry inhibitors stop that virus from getting into the CD4 cells and blocking protein on the cell surface so that it won't be able to enter the bloodstream. It also states that integrase inhibitors block the HIV virus from making copies of itself and spreading throughout the body. Along with adding new classes of medications into the regimen of fighting HIV, pharmacists have simplified ways to take combination therapy as a treatment. Now, combination therapy is usually when you use multiple medications and make it into one. So it's like if you need to take 4 pills for the virus, they incorporate those 4 pills and make it into one. So that makes it simple for people to keep up with their medication and to fight the virus. But it has to be like fighting the same condition. There are a total of 5 new combination drugs in the past 10 years. On AIDS.gov, it states that there are many different regimens that a person can choose from depending on the person's individual needs. And on onhealth.com, it states that a study shows that these combination pills reduce the virus and enhance the immune system of over 80% of the HIV patients who participated in this study. In conclusion, researchers and pharmacists have made living with HIV less painful by adding new classes of medication and simplifying combination therapy. After doing my own personal research, it is safe to say that pharmaceutical scientists are getting close to finding a cure for this silent killing disease.